What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and once again we are working on my Nissan S14. I've been busy bunny this week. Didn't show you because it would have been one fucking boring ass video, but I went ahead and painted the entire interior on the car. I'll get my light. Yep, so I went ahead, painted the entire interior of the car matte black. Looks 10 times better everywhere now. Went ahead through my Nardi steering wheel in, that's lovely. Yep, so today we are finally installing the overfenders to get rid of this shit, and that's the good side. So we're going to start by masking up the arches and then cutting them and then drilling holes and riveting things onto my car. So one improvement I made from last week's video is I got myself a tripod so that you guys can sit stationary without me holding you all the time, or sitting on the car. But first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to mask a line right around here, and that's going to be the line to cut. So I'm just going to start here. I'm probably just going to do some sort of probably up to about this line, and then back down the other side. Like how I wanted to do it, so as long as I keep cutting within this line, then I'm not going to overcut and I should be okay. The main thing is I don't want to cut into where the feeler cap is, and I don't want to cut too much away. I've never done this before, so it's quite nerve-wracking doing something as crucial as this. Okay guys, so it's a few hours later and I got carried away and stopped recording. I'm not very good at this whole in-garage recording. I just kind of want to get the head down and get it done. But, you know, so I've done one side and I've just cut the other side. And I thought I would try and salvage this video a wee bit. So, here we are. Right, so we've just cut out the arch and hammered up all the interior. And now I'm going to get the other overfender and line it up, tape it onto the car and start drilling holes to ultimately put the rivets in, and once that's done, the job's done. So guys, you would have seen a bit of a time lapse there, and I don't know if I kept it in or not, but yeah, the drilled battery died halfway through, which was a pain in the ass. Luckily we had another battery that was fully charged and managed to get the job finished. But as I just said, the job's finished and the overfenders are on. The car looks 10 times better. For the first time since owning this car, I don't want to stand at the rear quarters and hide it. Well, actually that's a lie, I still do, because I've got no spacers and I've got standard wheels and it kind of looks ridiculous. But spacers are coming, spacers are coming. So anyway, here it is. Yep, see, overfenders are on. Fuel cap still works, by the way. That was a fucking bastard to do. Fitment isn't too bad here. Kind of goes down there. And the other side, the side that was really bad. Obviously this side was really badly damaged from drifting, and no doubt it will look like that again at some point. but I've done as well as I could. Obviously I'm not going to get that to sit perfect, but fuck it, it's a drift cart. Now obviously this was the corner that was really bad, but it doesn't look too bad. I mean, obviously on the other side you might have a bit of body that fills in this gap, but you know, it's 10 times better than what it was, and when it's going sideways you won't even notice it. So you go on this side, there's a bit of body in here and a bit of body in there, and it's almost perfect. Yeah, I'm so happy guys to have it looking more like a car now. Side skirts all fit perfectly, but yeah, definitely it's yeah, definitely needs to get spacers. But guys, with this done, that means next week I can go ahead and plastidip this bitch and make it look even better and make it all one colour. And the car won't even be recognisable from when I last drove it. So next time I'm at Driftland and people haven't seen these videos, I want to be like, did you get a new car, mate? And I'll be like, nah. But honestly, absolutely buzzing about it. I'm gonna go ahead, tidy up now, head home, have a beer, and yeah, I'm just generally really excited about the car, as I said last week, you know. But I think that's about it. I'm going to end this video here. I might go take it outside and take a couple of shots of it before I go. But yeah, thanks again. Thanks for watching. My face is disgusting. Holy crap. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like the video. If you didn't like the video, dislike the video. Tell me why. I don't care. Comment on the video if there's anything you want to know. I'm not very good at these install videos, but we'll get there. I've only just started this. So yeah, next week, plastidip, gunmetal grey, and then eventually red, but gunmetal grey for now. Spacers will get ordered soon as. And that's about it, guys. I've got a few other wee tricks, as I said, to come, and you'll see that when it comes next month probably. But next week, plastidip. Week after that, fuck knows. We'll find out then. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace!